take it to?
He'll take it home. It's a guinea fowl that strayed my way this morning and I decided to bring it to you. Take it.
I cannot accept this gift from you and take it home. My father will kill me if he knows I returned home with something from you. And please, do not insist on this, I beg you, because it will make me very, very restless. You are my lord and I don't want to offend you.
Adanna yobi atuanya biko atola ojo le manya nihu igawati iem neku iju iem neregi obiga bawakwamo obiga warisimo obiga bawakwamo napomi iem neregi iyo esino bimputa Adanna yobi atuanya bika atulujo Ada biko atulujo Ana mariagio biko atulujo Napomi emneregi biko atulujo.
Okay, stop singing, it's enough. Hey, wait. If I insist, if I go ahead and take the risk of taking this guinea fowl to my house and my father eventually kills me like he has been threatening to, who will you now have to sing to?
He won't kill you. Just take it, please. If you don't take it, where do I keep it?
I don't know what to say too.
What's Lolo doing in your house?
A lot of forces are rising to destroy us. They are fighting to separate us. I wish that you and I could run away, leave this land and go away to another land, away from here. A land far, far away. It will be just you and I together forever.
No.
A place where nobody will ever set eyes on us.
No, we can't run. Many people will misunderstand that. What was she doing in your house?
It's what you already know. She wants me to marry the prince, her son.
Have you been encouraging him?
And why would you even ask me that kind of question?
Because they won't be disturbing you if you have told them plainly that we can't be separated.
I have told her times without number. I don't know why she wouldn't let me be.
Ada, I love you with everything in me. I love you from the deepest part of my heart. I want you to promise me that no matter what, you'll never leave me.
I promise. You and I are destined together. And nothing will ever change that.
Adanaya adadema na magolo iligo atuanya obi ogebu mmadu maka ihigi atuanya deche maka iuwa gebu idi ya mma odigi mma iya soro wa ha mebe adadema na magolo iligo atuanya obi ewo iligo atụanya obi ada dị mma na-amaghị ụlọ iligo atụanya obi iligo atụanya obi ada nna ya ada dị mma na-amaghị ụlọ iligo atụanya obi oge bụ mmadụ maka iyi gị atụanya dị eche maka ihe ụwa ga-ekwu ịdị ya mma ọ dị gị mma ihe sọrọ ụwa ha mebe ada dị mma na-amaghị ụlọ iligo atụanya obi ewo iligo atụanya obi.
Rain comes sign, you'll be mine.
I promise you again and again that I am yours forever. Nothing, absolutely nothing on earth is going to change that.
Now I'm relieved. I can now go home. I'll see you tomorrow.
Oh no, my love. Please don't come back here tomorrow. I don't want my father to kill you, please.
Oh, it's better for me to die in this love than die elsewhere.
All right. Please go.
Now, I am the man here. I should watch my woman's back. Just go.
My love, you are in my house, so it is you that should be going.
Okay, then that means you don't want us to go nowhere. You want us to stay here till daybreak, and that's awesome. Awesome.
Also, how so?
How so is you go while I watch your back. That's it.
You stubborn Atwana. See this? And then more. And the reasons I can't have it love you.
I love you more.
I'll see you tomorrow.
Okay, now. Be safe.
Yes.
She's my world. I can't do anything without her. Cool.
Adana,
No.
where are you coming from?
I have to ease myself.
You mean you went outside this compound to ease yourself? Adana, when did that start?
Nam, I have been doing that. Remember, you always taught me to learn how to grow above my fears. That is exactly what I am doing. I go out in the dark to ease myself. Something most maidens in the same age group with me would never even venture into. Nam, you really should be giving me a tap on the back for living up to the bravery you're doing it. Kashifo.
Why do I have this strange feeling that she wants me to do my worst?